You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word correctly. Moye. Do you pronounce it any other ways? Moye. In French, it's the name of a village in Savoie in the French Alps, and it's pronounced Moye. I believe Moye. Do you pronounce it any other ways? Let us know in the comments. Moye or Moye? Let us know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.